In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to affiliate with Amazon. Before you sign up, make sure you qualify. You'll need at least one online presence where you can share links such as a website or blog, a YouTube channel, or a social account like Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Your content should be original, meaning it's created by you and adds real value to your audience. You also need to be at least 18 years old and willing to follow Amazon's program policies. If your profiles are new, add a few useful posts first so reviewers can see what your content is about. When you're ready, go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com and choose sign up. Log in using your regular Amazon account. You'll be asked for basic details like your name, address, and contact information. Then you'll add links to the website or social profiles where you plan to share products. You'll also briefly describe how you plan to drive traffic. Think honest product reviews, tutorials, shopping guides, or short videos. Be clear and realistic. This helps the reviewers understand your approach. When everything looks good, submit your application. After you submit, you'll receive temporary approval so you can start right away. Keep in mind there's a key requirement. You must generate 3 qualified sales within 180 days to remain in the program. These need to come through your affiliate links from real shoppers in your audience. Returns or ineligible orders won't count. So focus on helpful content that naturally leads people to products they genuinely want. Once inside your associates account, you can create links. Search for a product you want to recommend, then choose Get Link. You can generate a simple text link, an image link, or a combination of text and image. Copy the special link you're given. It includes your unique tracking tag, which tells Amazon that a purchase came from you and ensures your commissions are credited. Avoid editing the link parameters and test the link to confirm it opens the right product page. Now share your links where your audience engages most. Add them to YouTube video descriptions, your TikTok or Instagram bio, relevant blog posts, Facebook updates, or Pinterest pins. Always include a clear disclosure near your links. A simple required statement is, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Keep it easy to find. Include it in video descriptions, bios, or at the top or bottom of blog posts. That's it. Qualify, sign up, start linking, share responsibly, and keep creating useful content. Like with consistency, those first 3 sales will come naturally.